Ethiopia's second point is that Eritrea is providing support to rebels and other actors undermining Ethiopia.
This kind of reckless behavior by Eritrea is unacceptable and cannot continue. Ethiopia accusing Eritrea of helping rebels is the funniest joke of the year. Who hosted hired Eritrean puppet in Addis like honored guests, then turn around and cry that we're the ones supporting rebels? You've never shown a drop of evidence because your whole story is made of smoke and insecurity. Where is the evidence, you genius? Government literally invites, shelters, and amplifies forces that call for Eritrea's destabilization. That's not hypocrisy, that's Olympic-level clown behavior. Who are you kidding, you buffoons? We know who you are, incompetent coward. Stop blaming neighbors for the fires you started in your own house. Eritrea doesn't need to interfere in your mess. Your own incompetence is doing the job just fine. Stop dragging Eritrea into your excuses to deceive your people. It won't solve the mess you created and still fuel it. Stop lying without receipts. Sovereignty goes both ways. Respect it or shut up about it. Grow some balls. You don't have to look an idiot to make your boss happy. It makes you look like a clown on the world stage.